Welcome to Bispham, where I've put my big coat on because I've come out of a night, and tonight I'm going to see the Blackpool Illuminations. And here I am at Bispham tram station, and I was going to say that I haven't been to Blackpool Illuminations in the dark since our last, but that's not actually true. I remember coming when I was a brownie leader. We brought the girls along one night. Yeah, that was fun. So yeah, Blackpool Illuminations. I've had a request from a subscriber for this. See, I do listen, and yeah, let's have a look and see, has Blackpool Illuminations changed since I were a lass? I think it probably has. Blackpool Illuminations then are 6 miles long in total, and they started in 1879, all the way back that, what, 146 years ago, when the council invested the sum of £5,000, absolutely astronomical amount at the time, basically as a way to show, look, we've got electricity. And let's have a look at the electricity. The tableaux were first opened in 1932. And this is the ancient Egypt tableau. Give me a fright. So part of the ancient Egypt tableau was stolen one Halloween a few years ago, and it had to be replaced at the cost of many thousands of pounds. And here we have Alice in Wonderland and the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. And I think I remember this peacock one from being a kid, but I'm sure it wasn't as brightly coloured back then. Hello sir. Here we are, the Teddy Bear's Picnic. Now this is apparently the oldest tableau style illumination that remains in its original form. It dates back to 1984. I was going to say I remember it from being a kid, and it was actually my favourite, but I'm sure it used to be a lot bigger than it was now. And I don't remember this one at all. What is it? It doesn't look very good to me. It's a bit dark, not much of an illumination. What have we got here? Hotel. Enter. I might possibly have stayed in a few hotels like that in my time. Be scared. Oh, I'm terrified. Is that all you do? All right then, sir. Ah yes, I remember these as well, but again they were not so brightly coloured back when I was young. I mean, half the bulbs on this one aren't even working. What's this? It's probably not showing up properly on the camera, but it looks like one of those Mexican things. I don't know. This is completely new to me. Yay, Basil Brush. That guy taught me to read way back when. Him and Mr. Howard. Yeah, they fenced off the near path, so we're having to walk on the main road now, which is a bit rubbish, but hopefully you'll be able to see enough of the illuminations. And the Four Seasons is a 1995 illumination. And Swan Lake is 1954. It was black and white in those days, obviously. And here we have SpongeBob. And coming up is my old favourites, Sooty, Sweep and Sue and Richard. It was Matthew in my day. On July 19th, 2018, Sooty celebrated his 70th birthday. Yeah, Sooty's from Blackpool. He came from, I think, North Pier in Blackpool at the cost of, I think, 7 and 6. So over 70 years ago, that was quite an amount of money. And here we have the advert for Coral Island Amusements. The pirates. So we've reached the end of the tableaux then already. There didn't seem to be that many. The rest of the 8 miles is just the lights over the road, and a lot of them are adverts nowadays, and they did used to be better than they are now. I'm sure they never used to have these when I was a kid. I've just heard a woman and a man discussing the Blackpool Illuminations, and she said to him, I don't know what it's supposed to be of. And I thought, yeah, I get the idea. I don't know what a lot of them are supposed to be. What can I say about Blackpool Illuminations then, other than things ain't what they used to be? So yeah, I know that they have to rotate them because they take a fair old battering being right on the seafront with all the storms. But yeah, I'm sure there used to be more of them than that. What happened to all the nursery rhyme ones? Hickory Dickory Dock and Humpty Dumpty and all them. And there didn't seem to be many people around, but I suppose the kids these days get excited by a light bulb. I'm not so sure anymore. And do kids these days know who Basil Brush is? I don't know. So anyway, thanks for coming along with me tonight to Blackpool Illuminations. If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. They're a bit different from this, and I put new travel videos on every Monday, so subscribe. I won't want you to miss anything. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.